Okay, so SXP here, right? Um, this coin's been a pain in the ass for the last couple of weeks, and it never flourished like some of the other coins. Even though every coin is getting crushed now, it's been. It burned me the other day. I got burned on it. And yesterday, look at that, God, 24% drop. That's insane. 25% drop. Um, like what I would do here, I would again, I would like to see a low put in below this. I don't know if it'll be today, tomorrow, the next day, but I would like to see some sort of a failed bounce, a low, and then a move higher, right? That's what I would like to see. So we have to be looking out for a stop hunt below these lows here, in my opinion. Um, I know the market is weak and things could keep dropping, but if we get that opportunity, I think SXP would be a good buy. It bounces 10% on a regular basis here. Like, look at this bounce from the lows, um, from these lows in an hour this morning. Like, look at that, it's 10% bounce. That was at 8 o'clock, and it bounced 10% if you caught the lows, the highs. So the real bounce, you could get 40, 50% bounce or whatever. Um, Here's a pivot here. I like to draw lines here at these pivots. Just if anybody else wants to do that, that's not a very good line at all. Anyway, it's a pretty it's a pretty large pivot. I just like to mark them on the chart. I think they're important because when price gets back up there, it should respect that. So we need to if we get back up there, we need to see if we can get through that. But anyway, the important thing here right now is to try and see if we can find a low, and preferably if we get some sort of wick stop hunt down here, that could be the opportunity for a decent bounce.